Today in this video number 189, we are going to see some interesting words or small phrases. When you have to warn someone, you would say, hey look, do what I say. Or better you do this before I lose my control. So this is a stern warning, a slight threat when someone doesn't obey. So let us see that today. It can be interesting to learn all these words that native people use, and learning all these are an enjoyable journey. Your language just gets richer. You will have different words for different situations. Right, we get to the phrases now. So you better be going from here before you regret it. ஒழுங்கா இங்க இருந்து போயிடு இல்ல நடக்கிறதே வேற. It is like, hey, I warn you, come on. Otherwise, I just might do anything. So this is the tone. So things are not going friendly anymore. So the word is ஒழுங்கா, meaning in a way that is right or appropriate. ஒழுங்கா, properly. இங்கிருந்து போயிடு, go away from here. இல்ல, or else, நடக்கிறதே வேற, something else is what would happen. ஒழுங்கா இங்கிருந்து போயிடு, இல்ல நடக்கிறதே வேற. ஒழுங்கா இங்கேருந்து போயிடு இல்லை நடக்கிறதே வேற. ஒழுங்கா இங்கே இருந்து போயிடு இல்லை நடக்கிறதே வேற. Now imagine you want to be even more harsh, or your warning goes to next level. Then it can be மரியாதையா, and even further you can say ஒழுங்கு மரியாதையா. ஒழுங்கு மரியாதையா இங்கேருந்து போயிடு இல்லை நடக்கிறதே வேற. Well, now the person might have already left, but if he still chooses to stay, I don't know, you have to maybe ஒழுங்கா மரியாதையா, ஒழுங்கு மரியாதையா. Now let us see the second half of the sentence and try to find an alternative. மரியாதையா இங்கேருந்து போயிடு இல்லை நடக்கிறதே வேற. So what will happen will be different. That is, it can be shocking, unexpected, irreparable. Or you can say மரியாதை கெட்டுடும், means the respect would be damaged or lost. மரியாதையா இங்கேருந்து போயிடு நடக்கிறதே வேற. Or மரியாதை கெட்டுடும். So when you learn these type of words, your understanding of the language gets better. You can understand the nuances, the tone, the emphasis of sounds and words. So we'll see a lot of such things in the future, and these videos I shall keep it short so that you remember it better. So instead of learning too many phrases in a video and you forget them all, these crisper short videos can be helpful for you to remember these phrases better. மரியாதையா இங்கேருந்து போயிடு இல்லை நடக்கிறதே வேற. Or மரியாதை கெட்டுடும். So dear Tamil learners, that is all for now. Hope you enjoyed this super short video. Now as we are moving on towards 200th video that hopefully we can reach in the couple of months, I think it'd be good to make this channel a little more visually appealing. The slides would remain simple and straightforward like this, so that there'll be no distractions for learners. It's something like a short travelogue. Once in a while, a short video and all explained in Tamil can at times break away from the monotony. So I'm looking forward for some ideas from you. I hope you enjoy these videos. And this is the list, and we shall keep a tab on the videos list hereafter, so we can keep a balanced progress with different categories. And have you checked the Instagram for more such phrases and words? So please do check if you haven't. And it really helps you to make your learning a lot more easier and fun. The Instagram channel is Learn Speak Tamil. All the best with your Tamil learning. Sari. Apram papama? Shall we catch up later? Sari. Apram papama?